Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I made my 28-inch Amaya Raine a dress that I have been planning since early summer. I found this print at Joann's really early this summer, and I grabbed it up and I thought that is perfect for my 28-inch Amaya Raine. And I had this idea for it, and it came together pretty good. And then I made her stockings, and we're just going to call those vintage stockings, where they were, you know, a little baggy, but they have the sexy stripes up the back. But I took simplicity pattern. I'll show you that in a minute. And I took the back in a little bit, but otherwise, this time I did not put, let me turn her head so I can handle her. There we go. I did not put the darts in this time for a couple reasons. One was I didn't want to mess up the cat. The other was I just wanted to see what it looked like without the darts. I'm really pleased with it. Let me show you the pattern that I used to make this dress. I used this simplicity pattern and I made type A, but then I added the sleeves to it. I made the sleeves, they need to be longer for Amaya Raine, but otherwise I went pretty much like with the pattern till I got it on the doll, and then I made my adjustments in the back. Oh good, I pulled her hair twice. I made my adjustments in the back when I put the closure on, and it worked out well. I'm really, really happy with it all. And I don't always say that. And then her little Halloween shoes worked out. Darren just made her this stand. I couldn't be happier with it. We had tried a smaller stick on it, but no, this is a pretty big doll with a, you know, she's got that big head. So I'm really pleased with the adjustments he made. I do want to mention Tina at Tina's Reborns and More. She is doing a 13 days of Doll-O-Ween, and I can't participate in it because I have so much going on the end of October. I didn't get done what I was hoping to. I even started in August this year, or I tried to. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and go by Tina's and start seeing her 13 days of Doll-O-Ween.